Hey guys, Scott Jansen here with a quick video and a quick update and reminder. We only have about 51 days till our first 2026 A.C.H training. This is happening on January the 22nd and the 25th. This is a virtual event via Zoom. I'm here just to let you guys know not only do we have 51 days left, but we only have 14 spots left. So I highly recommend if you're interested in this program, click on the link below. It'll take you over to this information page right here. And there's a lot of information I highly recommend you look through, look at all the content you're going to be learning, look through all the testimonials, look at the problems this program is going to solve for you, and make sure you enroll fairly quickly. So alongside the 2026 A.C.H training, once you've enrolled, you'll get instant access to the recordings of the past live trainings. You'll get instant access to that. You get login details for that straight away. You'll also be invited over to our private Facebook group, which you get lifetime access to. You get lifetime access to the recordings as well. Plus, as a big bonus, guys, and this is really lifetime value and everything, you're going to get a VIP ticket, which is here, right here on the screen, to attend all future A.C.H trainings for life without ever spending any more money again. We're going to give you that ticket. So after next year's training, the next time we do the A.C.H training and every training after that, you'll get an instant invite for that and you can show up free of charge. You never ever have to pay again. So guys, highly recommend. 14 spots left. Only 51 days to go. Highly recommend you come over to this link right here. Check out all of the information, guys. Just a quick recap. It's on January 22nd to the 25th. Starts at 7 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. That's Adelaide. Till about 12 p.m., maybe 1 p.m., depending on how many questions we have. This is a 4-day training. We're going to be looking at therapy, hypnosis, and A.C.H, of course. And on the last day, looking at business, we're going to show you how to sell this version of your therapy for $1,500 all the way up to $5,000 for one single session. I'm going to show you not only the therapeutic side of this, how to do this, but also how to charge for this so you can make your money back straight away. And as you can see, it's only $997 Australian, guys, plus it's about $6,000 worth of free bonuses, plus that VIP ticket to attend all further A.C.H trainings free of charge. So I look forward to seeing you on the training, guys. Bye for now.